IMT Ghaziabad's ExP program addresses the ever-evolving needs of the industry. And this need is actually factored into how we prepare the IMT Ghaziabad, the ExP student. A lot of sessions happen, a lot of briefings happen, a lot of discussions happen, a lot of mentoring sessions happen to be able to cater to the needs of the ever-evolving industry. A lot of focus has been given on what we do in and outside the classroom. What we see amongst the students who graduated from the PGDM ExP program is a sense of transformation, is a sense of achievement, is a sense of belief, is a sense of confidence that they can obviously move to the next leg, they can move to the next platform. A decision to do a PGDM ExP program for students who obviously are experienced, who will come back from the industry for a period of time, can be seen as very challenging or daunting. However, I mean, if you look at how things are going now, if you look at this whole idea of continuous learning, if you look at this whole idea of total transition that's taking place in the workplace, it will require individuals to come back into the classroom, reflect on what they've done, essentially improve their efficiencies in terms of thought. So I think I would strongly encourage a lot more people to take those breaks if they can. And let me tell you, and I'm talking this out of experience, when I see a lot of the students, when they come back as alumni later, they always talk about the transformative approach to the PGDM ExP program. And I think that's something that is valued by every one of our alumni.